A delivery note is created when a package is shipped from our company's warehouse to the customer. It includes a list of items being delivered and updates the inventory accordingly. Typically, a delivery note is generated from a submitted sales order. To create a delivery note, go to the sales order list and open a submitted sales order you want to use. Click on the Create button at the top and select the delivery note. This will open a new delivery note with the customer details and items fetched from the sales order. You can add any additional details, then save and permanently submit the delivery note. Alternatively, you can create a delivery note manually by searching for the delivery note list in the Awesome bar. First, select a customer. Then use the Get Items From button to choose a sales order linked to this customer. You can select multiple orders if needed. Once you've selected the sales order, click on Get Items. The items table will be populated with all the items from that sales order. After adding the items, you can include other important details. First, set the source warehouse for this delivery. Then, taxes and charges will be calculated by the system automatically. You can also enter the transporter's information in the Transporter Info section. Finally, save and submit the delivery note.